Thanks for liking my previous videos, and I saw all the comments, and thank you very much, guys. And please subscribe my channel to just show your love about me. So today I will be making a new video on how to parallel park. So I know, so when you guys do your road test is some people find it very hard, so I'm just trying to help you guys, and I will show you today how to parallel park. So let's start the video. Yeah guys, so first you bring your car just against the other car, so match the right mirror with the other car. So, and then just take an idea. If there's no car, so just take a guess, then start backing up, turn all the way right, and then go slowly. So as you can see, so once you get here, go straight, go little slowly back, then start turning all the way to left, and then you can see in my video you will get your car in first time. So now you just straight and then move a little forward, and you can see that is your parallel park. Yeah, so so as I told you already in starting of the video, I will be telling you one tip in the video. So my tip is, whenever you guys do your road test, the instructor asks you to parallel park or just park on the side of the street, and there's one thing he or she asks you about. So the thing is, they ask you to open the window, so they want to see like how you exit your car. So there's some step which I'm going to tell you right now. So first you need to make sure this back mirror there is nobody coming, then you check your left mirror, then shoulder check, which is very important. I already told you in my other videos. So then you open the door, and then you close it. So this is very simple, guys. So make sure you check your all three mirrors, shoulder check, and then open the door. And this was my tip for today's video. Yeah, so guys, so this was today's all about how to parallel park, and I also gave you guys one tip how to exit when your instructor asks you in your road test, like park on the side, or like just like parallel park and show me how you exit. So that's your bonus point I showed you on this video. I hope you guys love this video, and please drop a comment, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you guys in next video.